Black seed oil, derived from the seeds of the Nigella sativa plant, has been treasured for its medicinal properties for thousands of years. Known also as black cumin seed oil, this potent natural remedy has been used in various traditional medicine systems across the world, from the Middle East to Southeast Asia. Modern scientific research has begun to shed light on the wide range of health benefits associated with black seed oil, corroborating many of its traditional uses. This video explores these benefits, supported by relevant studies and data. Stay tuned till the end of the video, as we will explain how you can incorporate black seed oil into your diet. Just a quick disclaimer, remember the information provided is for educational purposes and should not substitute informed medical advice or care. 1. Antioxidant properties. Black seed oil is rich in antioxidants, which are compounds that fight free radicals in the body, thereby reducing oxidative stress and preventing cellular damage. A study published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology highlights the potent antioxidant activity of black seed oil, attributing it to its thymoquinone content, among other active compounds. These antioxidants contribute to a variety of health benefits, including disease prevention and anti-aging effects. 2. Anti-inflammatory effects. The anti-inflammatory properties of black seed oil have been well documented. Research in the European Journal of Pharmacology has shown that thymoquinone, a key component of black seed oil, can significantly reduce inflammation in the body. This makes black seed oil a potential natural treatment for various inflammatory conditions, such as arthritis and asthma. 3. Improves heart health. Black seed oil has been found to have a positive impact on heart health. A study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology reported that black seed oil could effectively reduce high blood pressure and high cholesterol levels, both of which are major risk factors for heart disease. By improving lipid profiles and blood pressure, black seed oil supports cardiovascular health. 4. Antidiabetic effects. The potential of black seed oil to help manage diabetes has been explored in several studies. Research published in the Journal of Endocrinology Metabolism indicates that black seed oil can improve glucose tolerance and lower blood sugar levels, making it a beneficial supplement for individuals managing type 2 diabetes. Its effect on insulin sensitivity and blood glucose levels underscores its antidiabetic properties. 5. Enhances respiratory health. Black seed oil has been traditionally used to treat asthma and other respiratory conditions. Scientific evidence supports its efficacy in this regard. A study in the Phytotherapy Research Journal found that black seed oil could significantly improve asthma control. Its anti-inflammatory and antihistamine properties help in reducing the symptoms of asthma and other respiratory issues. 6. Supports weight loss. Emerging research suggests that black seed oil may also play a role in weight loss and obesity management. A study in the Journal of Diabetes Metabolic Disorders observed that black seed oil supplementation led to significant weight loss in obese individuals. Its potential to modulate metabolism and reduce appetite could be contributing factors to this effect. 7. Antimicrobial and antifungal properties. Black seed oil possesses strong antimicrobial and antifungal properties, making it effective against various pathogens. Research in the Journal of Applied Microbiology demonstrates its activity against multiple strains of bacteria and fungi, including those resistant to conventional antibiotics. This. 8. Neuroprotective effects. Black seed oil has shown promise in neuroprotection, which means it may help protect the brain and nervous system from damage. Studies, including those published in Neurochemical Research, suggest that thymoquinone in black seed oil can help shield brain cells from inflammation and oxidative stress, potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. 9. Enhances liver health. The liver is crucial for detoxifying the body, and black seed oil may play a supportive role in maintaining liver health. Research indicates that black seed oil can help protect the liver from damage and injuries caused by toxins and diseases. Its antioxidant properties are particularly beneficial in reducing oxidative stress in the liver, as highlighted in studies published in journals like Journal of Ethnopharmacology. 10. Promotes skin health. Black seed oil is often touted for its benefits for the skin. It's been used to treat various skin conditions, including acne, eczema, and psoriasis, thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Additionally, the oil is rich in essential fatty acids that nourish the skin, promoting a healthy complexion and potentially reducing the signs of aging. 11. Supports immune function. Enhancing the body's immune response is another notable benefit of black seed oil. Its immunomodulatory properties help in balancing the immune system, making it neither too weak nor overly active. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with autoimmune diseases or those looking to reduce the frequency of common illnesses like the cold or flu. 12. AntiCancer Potential. Emerging research has begun to explore the anti-cancer properties of black seed oil. Compounds in the oil, especially thymoquinone, have been shown to induce apoptosis, programmed cell death in cancer cells, and inhibit tumor growth without harming normal cells. While this research is still in the early stages, it suggests that black seed oil could have a future role in cancer prevention and treatment strategies. 13. Improves digestive health. Black seed oil may help in managing various digestive issues, including gas, bloating, and stomach ulcers. Its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial effects can support a healthy digestive system, reducing the risk of infections and soothing gastrointestinal discomfort. 14. Reduces menstrual discomfort. For women experiencing menstrual discomfort, black seed oil may offer relief. It's known to help reduce the severity of menstrual cramps and pain, possibly due to its anti-inflammatory effects. Additionally, it can help regulate menstrual cycles, making it a natural remedy for women with irregular periods. 15. Erectile dysfunction. Black seed oil is thought to improve blood circulation, which is crucial for erectile function. Good blood flow is essential for achieving and maintaining erections. The antioxidant properties of black seed oil may also play a role in protecting blood vessels from damage, further supporting circulatory health. Conclusion. Day. Black seed oil's wide array of health benefits makes it a remarkable natural remedy with applications in various aspects of health and wellness. From neuroprotection and liver health to skincare, immune support, and even potential anti-cancer properties, black seed oil offers a holistic approach to maintaining health. However, as with any supplement, it's essential to use black seed oil responsibly and consult with a healthcare provider, especially for individuals with existing health conditions or those taking other medications, to ensure its safe use. To incorporate black seed oil into your diet, start with a small dose, such as ½ teaspoon per day, and gradually increase to 1 to 2 teaspoons as tolerated, either taken directly or mixed with honey or lemon juice to improve taste. Alternatively, you can add it to beverages like warm water or smoothies, use it as a salad dressing mixed with olive oil and lemon juice, or incorporate it into recipes like soups and stews, adding it at the end of cooking to preserve its nutrients. For those who prefer not to taste it, black seed oil capsules are an option, following the dosage recommended by the manufacturer or a healthcare provider. Always opt for high-quality, organic, cold-pressed black seed oil and store it in a cool, dark place. Before adding black seed oil to your regimen, especially for pregnant or breastfeeding women, or if you're on medication, consulting with a healthcare professional is advisable to ensure safety and avoid potential interactions.